Hi, I would like to show you how easy it is to install a universal wiper blade for U or J hook type arms on your car. First, click on the pinch tab. Lift the cover to adapter up. Then slide the U-hook arm into the seating and pull it downward until you hear the click sound. Now close the adapter cover and that's it. Also don't forget to remove the green protection cover from the rubber before you lower the wiper blade onto your car windshield. That's it, you now have installed a brand new durable Silica View silicone wiper blade.